In this video, we will create a permission slip with the field trip information and a form for the parents to fill out. It has a signature field and a date field that uses the current date. Go to Applications and add the permission slip. Install the application and click Open Application. We have 2 grid views, 2 pages, and most importantly, the 2 forms. Let's open the field trip information form, go to Entries, and edit the existing entry. It's important to edit this one instead of creating a new one. Just add in the details like trip date, start, end time, and location, and don't forget to hit Update. Then go back to Applications and open the permission slip form. As you can see, our signature field here at the bottom is not showing up properly. To display it as a signature field, go to Add-ons and search for digital signatures and activate it. Now, when we head back to the form, we can see we have a field where the user can sign using the mouse or touchscreen. The other fields ask for the student's teacher name, student's name, the parent's name, email, phone number, and the date that it is being signed. Let's add date in square brackets to the default value to make the date equal the current date. As you can see, it's the current date, but we can still change it if we wanted to. Now, let's go to Views and check out the Guardian Signature Grid view. Here we have our entry that we just created. The other entry is the default one that comes with the application, so we can just delete it. Let's open up our signed permission slip page. If you see this error message, just click Attempt Recovery and it should show up. As this is just a normal WordPress page, you could add text or other Gutenberg blocks below or above. Let's look at the Guardian Signature form page. This page includes the form and the field trip information view. Just switch it to Published and it's ready to be sent to the parents of the child. Alternatively, you can just create a new page, add the Formidable Forms views block, select the view, and there you have it. The pages that come with the application templates are just that. Normal WordPress pages with a Formidable views block. Subscribe to our newsletter by clicking the link on screen or in the description below to stay updated on the latest WordPress tips and tricks.